Guys, just 1 second before the video starts, I want to thank you for watching, subscribing, and liking my videos. It's really helping. And just to let you know that down below in the description, you'll see a link to all the tools that I love and use. So if you ever have any questions, check it out. I'm always updating it, so stay tuned. What's up, guys? Tommy here from Green Rhino. Showed up this morning to do Scotch guard or protection on the rugs and all the upholstery. Came and did an estimate on it the other day, and you decided to go with it. So there's a whole lot of it. It's about between the both of us, we're gonna knock this out. Brenda's with me today, the better half, and she's gonna see all those chairs. She's gonna start on one end, I'm gonna start on the other. And these chairs. So I did spot the area on one of the chairs when I did the estimate, and just come back today and double checking it and make sure there isn't anything weird, because these are like velvet, all velvet, most of it's velvet, and it was right here and there's nothing weird, so great. I'm gonna do a little bit of spotting on here on these two chairs, but that's it as far as cleaning. And yeah, just all these rugs. There's Brenda. All right, stay tuned. Okay, so that's it for the rugs. We're gonna move on to the doing the upholstery. See, these are misting bottles right here. This sprays a mist, because you don't want to get it too wet, especially this fabric, right? So you want just a minimal amount, because you don't need much. Very low pile. So these things, they mist. Only about $7. You can get more expensive ones, but really that's all you need. Yeah, so we're gonna start on this, and stay tuned. So this is yeah, they're counter brushes, but the horsehair, real fine or soft, so they're not gonna cause any damage. A little bit more than that. And a little bit closer, and then go ahead and go. So you don't want to over wet them, but you don't want under either. So. And that's it. Let them dry, and they're protected. These, since we already did the rug, you can just spray over the rug and you'd be good. Right now she's just dusting getting all the dust and debris off there first. A little bit more. There you go. The back too. That's good. All right. All finished up. That's good. Customers, please. She asked for some cards, and yeah, hopefully we got a lifelong customer here. So, all right, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, you know the routine. See you in the next one. So just a quick footnote. I got Brenda driving me around today. I'm feeling special. The phone keeps ringing and I can't answer it, so this was a smart thing to do. So quick footnote, that job was $635 total. And it took us 1 hour. So if you're not offering Scotch Guard, why not? Really easy, you know. This was all new furniture, so we didn't even have to vacuum. We just kind of dusted it, and